If your Lenovo laptop is having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi, the issue is likely due to a disabled wireless adapter. To resolve this problem, start by enabling the wireless adapter on your laptop. This can be done by pressing the Start button and the R key on your keyboard at the same time, which will open the Run box. Type in devmgmt.msc and press OK to access the device manager. From there, scroll down to the Network Adapters option and select it. Choose the wireless network adapter from the menu and click on Enable Device. If the device is already enabled, try disabling it, waiting a few seconds, and then reactivating it. After making these changes, restart your laptop and find the Wi-Fi icon to turn it on. Your laptop should now be able to connect to the internet. This simple process should resolve the issue and get your Lenovo laptop connected to Wi-Fi again.